Under App Bar, create Single Child Scroll View widget inside body. Set scroll direction to vertical. Create scroll controller named Scroll Controller and initialize it. Override dispose method and dispose this scroll controller. Now assign this controller to Single Child Scroll View widget. Create column widget inside it. Inside it, create Future Builder widget. Now, create a late property of type Future List of Images. Name it Images List. Override init state method. Inside it, initialize Images List, but before create instance of the repository class named repo. Now, initialize Images List with getImagesList method from repository class. Create an int property named PageNumber and initialize it with 1. Inside Future Builder, pass ImagesList as future. Pass a method to Builder which takes two parameters named context and snapshot. Inside it, use if statement and check snapshot connection state is done. Now, create else block. Inside it, return center widget. Inside it, create circular progress indicator widget. Inside if block, use another if statement, and check if snapshot has error. And inside it, return center widget, pass text widget to it, and display error message inside it. In outer if block, return column widget. Set main axis alignment to center. Set main axis size to minimum. Create padding widget inside it, and give some padding on horizontal sides. Now create Masonry GridView.count inside it. Set cross-axis count to 2. Pass a method to Builder which takes two parameters named context and index. Now set shrink wrap to true. Set main axis spacing to 5. Set cross-axis spacing to 5. Inside Item Builder, return gesture detector method. Inside it, create clip or rect widget. Pass network cached image widget to it. Use image URL property, and pass snapshot.data of current index.image portrait path. Use exclamation mark after data because it is nullable. Set fit to box fit.cover. Before return statement, create a variable of type double named height, and pass this equation to it. Now use height property, and check if height is greater than 300, then set it to 300, otherwise pass it height variable. Restart the app. There's an exception because we forgot to pass item count. Now, set item count equal to snapshot.data.length. Stop the app and start it again. Use error widget property and pass this method with these parameters to it. Inside it, display error icon. Images are not displaying because we made a mistake in repository class. So, let's fix it. We had passed wrong URL. Add curated keyword after the base URL. Now restart the app. And images are loaded successfully. In Clip a Rect, set border radius and pass border radius widget to it, and make border circular using circular method of it. It looks better now. With this, GridView is almost complete.